Hi students, this is AJ sir. Today let's study some idioms and see how these phrases can be used in our day-to-day life and also in our compositions to make them more impressive. So idioms part 2. To be head and shoulders above. It means to be much better than others. For example, he is head and shoulders above all his classmates in chess. That means he's one of the best. To be above someone's head. That means difficult to understand the concept. For example, trigonometry is above his head. So you're trying to say that it's all Greek to him. He can't understand it well. To make the hair stand on end. Well, can you guess what the meaning is? It means to make someone very scared. There is a biological phenomenon in which when you are scared, the erector muscles of the skin make sure that you get goosebumps. A sentence, the movie was so horrifying that my hair stood on end. To face something, that means to meet or accept something boldly. Example, you have made a mistake, now you have to face the consequences or you have to face the music. Face to face means personally. I want to meet all your teachers face to face and find out how you behave in the class, said the mother. It makes a difference when you meet somebody face to face compared to meeting them online or over call. To keep an eye on, to take care of someone. When my parents had to go to London, they asked my neighbor to keep an eye on me. Or you have to keep an eye on your neighbor's pet. Open somebody's eyes too. Meaning, to make someone realize something. We have to open the teacher's eyes to the way in which Naveen flatters her. Maybe the teacher was not aware of this or was ignorant of this. But when you open somebody's eyes, that means you make them realize something. Next, to lead someone by the nose. Now, not literally. To make a person do whatever a person wants. For example, she's an only child, so she really leads her parents by the nose. That means she's being pampered, all her desires are being fulfilled. That's spoiling her. Pay through the nose. What does that mean? Take a guess. To pay a very high price. Even though I had to pay through my nose for this book, I'm happy I bought it. It must be an English grammar book, I guess. To turn a deaf ear. To refuse to listen to somebody, to ignore somebody's requests. For example, the teacher turned a deaf ear to all our pleas to postpone the test. Seems like a strict teacher. I wrote a letter to the local government complaining about the potholes on the road, but it seemed to have gone in vain. The plea seems to have fallen on a deaf ear. To be up to one's ears means to be deeply involved in something. Example, I cannot come down to play today. I am up to my ears in homework. Cheek by jowl, to be very close together. The bus was so crowded that we were all sitting cheek by jowl. Jowl. To turn the other cheek. Yes, as you have rightly guessed, it means to accept an attack without retaliating, without taking a revenge. Gandhiji said that if someone hits you, you should not hit back, you should turn the other cheek. But practically that may not be wise. To seal one's lips, to keep quiet about something. I know why we are getting a holiday tomorrow, but I will not tell you my lips are sealed. Again, not literally. To live from hand to mouth. It means to have just enough to satisfy one's needs. After the father died, the children had to live from hand to mouth. They did not have any surplus, anything extra. They just had enough money to eat twice a day. That's it. To hold one's tongue. To be quiet. Hold your tongue. You should not argue like this. To fight tooth and nail. To fight fiercely. Example, our boys' football team fought tooth and nail and finally won the tournament.
Hi students, if you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.